Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and something different's going to happen starting this year. Google has decided that you will have to wait 24 hours if you sideload apps. Yep, that means that it will actually require you to wait 24 hours. There's going to be some verification done. You'll need to restart your device and then have access to whatever app you sideloaded if the developer is not registered with Google Play. So what's sideload? First of all, well, sideloading is just bypassing the store. So usually you go to the Google Play Store to get a app. Now, what's going to happen with this is that you won't actually go to the App Store. Some people will download apps from other sources. And what's happening is that these are deemed to be dangerous because there's no verification done. So usually you have to put your device in developer mode and all of that. So the annoyance will be really on the user, and a lot of developers are annoyed at this new decision that's going to take place, where if you download or sideload an app and that developer is not a registered Google Play developer, you will have to wait 24 hours in order to use it, do a restart. And this is to make sure that the apps you sideload are safe. So kind of a big new rule here, especially for people that were used to sideloading apps on their devices. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.